Hi guys, do you want to have more succulent but don't have the budget? Then you have to learn how to propagate them. Today, I'm going to show you how. All you have to do is pluck the leaf. Grab the leaf close to the base and wiggle it gently side to side. It will come off very easily. Now that we have separated the leaf, it will now have an open wound. So we have to wait for a couple of days until the end of the leaf dries and hardens a bit. Place it on an indirect sunlight while waiting and do not do anything about it. Once it has formed callus, it will be ready to be put on the top of the soil. I used a plant saucer and put a soil on it, but you can use any containers that you have. Place the leaf on the top of the soil. Make sure not to bury the leaf. The leaf will take care of its own. Still place it on an indirect sunlight and do not water it. Eventually, your leaf will grow roots. This is the time that you can now use a spray bottle to water it. Then it will grow tiny leaves. Continue watering the leaf with a spray bottle and still place it on an indirect sunlight until it eventually grows into a tiny plant and you can repot it individually or by groups. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!